In this video, I'm going to show you how to design an email in HubSpot. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard, you want to go to the left and you want to look for marketing. In here, you want to go and click on an email over here, and this is where you can actually create and then design an email. So click on create email top right over here, and it's going to allow you to basically create an email. So I'm just going to click on the regular, and it's going to tell you that you can of course use these templates over here or do a new design from scratch. So you can of course look at all of these templates available. There's a bunch of different ones which you can use by clicking use template, or you can go and start from scratch. So I'm actually going to go and design one from scratch. I'm going to click on upload design over here, and it's actually going to be like we're going to do an announcement. Okay, so I'm going to click on upload, or not upload, my mistake. I'm going to go and click on start from scratch over here. You can upload as well if you want to. And then in here, as you can see, the first thing you have to do is select who you want to send to and from who it is, subject line and preview text, or you can leave this for the end and you can just go ahead and start building and designing your email. So essentially what this is over here, you want to drag and drop in your content. You have the option to basically drag and drop a bunch of things, click on the plus add button top left, and here you have modules and sections, and you can of course go and design it however you want. So at the very top, I'm going to click and drag, and I'm going to add like an image. First, I'm going to just make like an outline. Then I'm going to add on some text. So I'm actually going to go and use this text over here. I'm going to drag and drop over here. There we go. You can read whatever you want. And then I'm actually going to add another thing, which is going to be just like a simple footer, okay? Just like this, which was added previously already, so I can just remove it as well, okay? Now, over here, you can then go and put on whatever images you want, type in whatever text you want, or add in videos, dividers, etc. I'm actually going to just go and select image, so click on whatever block you want to edit, and you can then go and upload your images or do whatever you want. So for this one, I'm actually just going to go and upload a random image. So here I have my logo. I'm going to click on it and click on open. And there we go. My logo is going to pop up. Then here I'm going to click on this text, and I'm actually going to click in here. So double click, and I'm going to edit this. So it says something powerful. I'm actually going to make an announcement. So for example, I have a YouTube channel with a lot of how-to tutorials. Okay. That's going to be the announcement I want to make. And of course, you can design your email however you want. You can put much more content on here with the drag and drop method. And then of course, you can customize your footer over here as well by clicking on it, change styles, etc. A bunch of things can be done. And then you can see the preview and test button up top, and you can go and preview this as a contact as an email client, or in an email client, or the web version, or whatever. So I'm going to preview this. It's going to look like that. It's going to load in, and I'm happy with this, okay? I'm going to go back to editing, and now the last thing you have to do before you click on review and send is basically type in all of these things required. So recipients are missing. I'm going to click on recipients, and I'm actually going to select a subscription type and then some recipients over here. It's going to be these two. There we go. That's been done. Then you have to add in a subject line, which is going to be tutorial email, and the preview text is going to be just a tutorial, okay? Of course, you can do whatever you want here, completely up to you, customize it however you want, and then from here I have to still edit my footer address to meet compliance requirements, so you have to go ahead and basically put in all of these things which are required, and then you'll be able to review and send, and that way you've successfully designed an email in HubSpot on your own, okay? If you need any help, you have this section over here, which is the kind of AI assistant, which you can use if you need any tips. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.